Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Apple Books or installing Kindle from the App Store. Sign in so purchases sync. Tap a sample or free title and download it to local storage. Once the book is downloaded, make sure to grant permission for notifications and background app refresh so progress syncs. You'll also want to enable dark mode or text size options in settings. This saves eye strain. Now tap the book to open and proceed to customize the reading environment. Once inside the book, you customize how text appears. Change font family, font size, line spacing, and margins to fit your reading speed. Switch theme between light, dark, or automatic. Enable True Tone and Night Shift for comfortable color temperature. Next, decide whether you prefer page turns or continuous scrolling. Try both since one improves retention for you. Also set Auto Lock Timeout longer while reading and turn on low power mode only if battery is low, because it can affect background sync. When you finish a session, add bookmarks, highlights, or notes so you can return quickly. Export or share notes when required. Make sure sync is active, iCloud for Apple Books or app-specific sync for Kindle, so your position and annotations appear on other devices. If a book won't load or progress won't sync, force quit the app, reboot the iPhone, and check available storage. If problems persist, sign out and sign back into the app account. That usually restores syncing and downloads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.